Hi, welcome to Oma's Kitchen.
Oregano.
Since the recent internet anger over the handling of an avocado on a certain British cooking show, I thought I would put together an Oma's Kitchen Tips video on how to open and slice an avocado. Once your avocado is cut in half and the pit is removed, it's easy to use the rind to help you slice the avocado. You run a sharp knife along the edge of the rind and up underneath the slices that you make, and then pinch the rind, and the slices usually fall right out. I do this even though these avocados are a little too ripe. This keeps me from making a huge mess with the avocado I'm using. There is a trick to getting the pit out. Once you cut your avocado in half all the way around, when you open it, the pit is on one side. Take the blade of your sharp knife and smack it into the pit. The pit will pop right out, and that way you're not trying to dig it out of the avocado. Then slice, run your sharp knife around the edges of the rind, and pinch the slices out. I do this when I'm using sliced avocados. If I'm making guacamole, I actually just use a big spoon to scoop out the centers. And there you have it, sliced avocados. I usually drizzle them with fresh or bottled lemon juice and a little bit of salt. And that's how you open and slice an avocado. Thank you for joining me in Oma's Kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll upload more tasty videos soon, and a special shout out to Moon Pie and Lil Bit. Till next time.